Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now today I'm going to show you my brand new house that I bought in Maine. It's on the island of Northeast Aurora. Yes, the rich part, you know, the girl have money now. And I'm just going to take you a tour into house tour of my brand new house. Okay, so behind the camera, I just want to big up my camera woman, Tracy, big up yourself. And if this is your first time on my channel, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that you can be notified when I release a new video. So come on in. So here is the front door. This is how you get in. You know, when I'm doing renovation, I'm gonna probably get rid of this or paint it or something. It's something nice to write here. So cause for now, it don't look so good. There's a little gardening over there, so gardening over there, so you understand, make the front of the house look nice. Hello, welcome to my home. Alright, so guys, it's messy in here, so don't pay no mind. We don't spray the house, so we are cleaning it and bare things. In here is the family room. As you can see, we have a lot of space, big windows, you know. Yeah, YouTube content creator, you need lighting and all that. Yes, not really high ceiling, but semi-high ceiling. It's good. Come on in here. This is where we are clean. We are clean. This is the kitchen. As you can see, kind of outdated. You know, we soon upgrade that, but for now we're not focused on that. We are focused on living in a house. You understand? Have a roof over our head. Later on, we'll change it out to better stuff. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, this is the dining area. This is the dining area. And around here is a little like sitting, reading room. Right? Yeah. So what I can do is probably just extend the kitchen for a bit. Put a little island right here so. And making here so the dining room, leave this up for the family room. Alright? So now we're going around here. So it's a 4-bedroom house. We have 2 on the ground floor and 2 downstairs. 2 baths. So this is the basement. If you want to go, you go down there. Yeah. Down this is what we're going to do, the man cave. Yeah, down there. So this is the bathroom. Okay. This is the bathroom. Yeah. Wait. Big mirror, as you can see. A lot of storage right here. We have the regular bathroom. You know bathroom. Okay, you don't need to figure this. Yeah man, you don't need to figure this. So this is another. This is the washer and dryer. Yeah, only for storage. You understand? We know and clothes are lined up over here. We know the Jamaican no more, you know? Yeah. Coming at the first bedroom. So this is the big bedroom, the biggest room on the ground floor. As you can see, we have a lot of windows. Yeah. And we have storage. Storage. What about storage? Come on in. Yes, girl. Camera woman, I'm going to things. And this is the next room. This is for when I have my daughter. Yeah, this is her room. A lot of windows also. And this is a lovely view of the woods. You know, bear come by and deer and all them something there. You can watch it live screen. You understand? Storage, wooly pass storage. Yeah. So now we're going upstairs. We're going upstairs. So this is, ow, frig, you cut me. This is, you cut me the journey. This is the master room. We need to change this stand up. No, this is not the master room. This is the second room. Wooly pass window. Yeah, it gets a little bed in here, so storage. A whole heap of storage. This storage, walk-in closet and bare things. A whole heap of storage. Bedroom. This, it can be a bedroom, you know, but you leave it for storage. It's big enough for storage, and it can be like a third bedroom upstairs, but storage. So this is the master bedroom, the grand finale. Very big. This can hold, you know, 2 king bed. Yeah. Another walk-in closet. Yeah. Very big. Then and this room. This bathroom, this door leads to the next slide. You understand? Alright guys, so if you reach this far, then you know, say that house is not mine. I just thought it would be fun to just do a house tour of somebody's place, not mine. Yeah. We basically had free time and we wanted some more hours to get more money, so we just volunteered to clean it, and that's what we were doing. Yeah. So I know my house. You understand? Not my house. And sorry for the lighting. We never realized that the camera never wipe off. It's the reason why the glare is there, but when you get the picture. And somebody did not record for me, so them not even realize say the quality ain't good. And I'm not there anymore. Now I'll go back there again, so I can't get video over. So just enjoy the video, and it's very short, so just enjoy the video. And if you get catch, let me know in the comment yellow down below. If you reach this far and you know subscribe. If you don't like it, turn on the post notification. Tell a friend. I'll see you next time. We have work in a couple minutes, so I'm gonna just get ready so we can go to people that work. I'll probably just rest for 5 minutes. So I'll see you later. Bye.